my name is Josh, and if this is your first time to see me, please consider subscribing so you'll be part of the family. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be unboxing itong mga regalo ni Vibrant Wellness sa atin. And just recently, I think nung last week lang, nagpunta kami sa year-end party ng Vibrant Wellness na may Batangas. So I went there with my mom, with my brother, and his wife, and yung aking pamangkin na si Gabe. So later on, I'll be sharing with you our experience during that year-end party, and I'll also be sharing with you yung mga photos namin during the event. Anyway guys, si Vibrant Wellness, nakikita ko na siya before all over social media, but mas naging interested ako sa kanya or to get to know the brand more nung inintroduce siya sa akin ng ate ko. So, yung ate ko again guys, nag-YouTube siya. Ilalagay ko yung link and socials niya sa baba just in case you're interested na i-check out siya, and kung gusto niyong matry itong mga products na ipapakita ko sa inyo later on, nagtitinda siya sa Dubai kasi nga distributor siya. So, pwede niyo siyang i-message, or kung gusto niyo din magpa-member, pwede niyo siyang i-message for inquiries. Anyway guys, we are very happy and privileged to be part of that event, yung year-end party ng Vibrant. Kasi wala lang, super fun lang ng experience. Kaya nag-travel kami from Manila to Batangas talaga. And thank you so much to Miss Elsie for inviting us. Na-invite kami because again, my sister is a distributor sa Dubai, UAE. But ayun, during the event, ayun, super fun lang. Nagkwento siya about yung history ng Vibrant, how it works and everything. And nag-share din sila ng mga surprises nila this coming year, their upcoming products and everything else. Anyway, kung gusto niyo ma-update sa kanila, ililink ko yung mga socials nila sa baba so you can check them out. Ayun, after the event, nagbigay sila nitong mga boxes na to, and dalawa yung nabigay sa akin. Actually, meron yung mom ko, si Ate Sai, si Kuya Gimo, tapos ako, binigyan ako ng isa, and then meron pang isang lumapit to give me another box. And nakalagay dito sa box is a box full of Vibrant goodies. Anyway, I'm very excited to see what's inside because ever since I got this, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan kasi nga gusto ko siyang gawa ng unboxing dito sa aking YouTube channel. Anyway, before I unbox this, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Vibrant Wellness and Miss Elsie herself for inviting us to your event. We really had so much fun and it was a great experience for us. Anyway, ayan, thank you so much po, and I can't wait to see you again soon. But ayan, i-unbox natin to see what's inside of these beautiful boxes. Ang ganda ng box. Yung colors pa lang niya, super light sa eyes and super ganda as in. Ang ganda ng pagkakapak. Anyway, I got two again. Let's start off with this first box. Tanggalin muna natin yung ribbon para makita natin ng bonggang-bongga. There you go guys. Ito yung itsura niya. I don't know if color blue siya sa camera, but it's light blue. Ayan, nakalagay. A box full of Vibrant goodies. So I believe mga Vibrant products yun nandito sa loob nito. Let's open it. Sabay-sabay nating tingnan kung ano yung laman niya. Tiyanan! Charot! Tiyanan talaga! Meron diyang mga pa-quotes and everything. There is strength in kindness and empowering people. Believe me, kindness works like magic. Ayan. It's by Miss Elsie Jordan Blanco, Vibrant Wellness founder and CEO. Ayan, bongga. And I'm right, lahat nga ng nasa loob is mga Vibrant products, and as you can see, sobrang daming laman and punong-puno talaga siya, and full sizes yung binigay nila. Anyway, meron ditong card na parang thank you card dun sa pag-attend ng event. And then, inside, merong pa ganito. Anyway guys, ito yung laman ng box, and as you can see, full sizes talaga yung mga binigay nila. Some of these products I have already tried, and yung iba hindi ko pa natatry, but i-introduce ko sila sa inyo isa-isa just so makilala nyo din yung kanilang mga products. So, let's start off with this Vibrant Milk Tea. Ito pa lang yung natatry ko among all of their products kasi I think just last year, pinadala na ako ng ate ko nito para matry ko. And in all fairness, legit milk tea talaga siya. And what's good thing about this, guilt-free siya. Kasi di ba yung mga milk tea, it's full of sugar. But this one, meron siyang stevia. Yung stevia yung ginamit nila na sweetener. So, mas healthy yon kaysa sa ordinary sugar lang. And meron din siyang all-natural herbal ingredients with green tea flavor. Ayan, bongga. And madami siyang mga benefits talaga. It has turmeric, Garcinia Cambodia, black tea, green tea, ginseng, L-carnitine, stevia, and fiber gum. Ayan, bongga siya. Ang dami niyang pasabog. But ito pa lang yung natatry ko among all of these products, and itong mga to I'm very excited to try as well. Yung mga products na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, hindi sila yung basta-basta mga products lang na like drink and everything ganyan. Itong mga to, meron silang mga health benefits talaga. So when you take this, it's as good as parang nagtitake din talaga kayo ng mga multivitamins, drinks, ganyan, kasi nga all of these are composed with natural ingredients and mga healthy ingredients talaga. So, kung kagaya ko kayo na hindi masyadong healthy lifestyle, itong mga drinks na to ay perfect for you guys. But anyway, ayan, meron tayo dito na Vibrant Orange C. Ito naman yung parang kanilang vitamin C drink. Ito, hindi ko pa ito natatry, but meron siyang 7 sachets na 10 grams sa loob, each box. And yung mga prices nito, hindi ako sure, but I'll try to look it up and ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below. But this one, I'm very excited to try this because ever since pandemic started, or actually even before pandemic pa, mahilig na talaga ako mag-take ng vitamin C kasi wala to boost lang my immune system, ganyan. Kasi medyo sakitin talaga ako. So, I'm very excited to try this kasi nga, ayun, it's vitamin C and orange flavor pa siya. So, parang sobrang refreshing niya. But, ayun, update ko kayo sa aking mga IG stories regarding this, kung mag-work siya sa akin, kung makakatulong siya sa akin, and kung masarap ba siya. Ayan, bongga to. I'm so excited to try this. Next one naman, guys, is yung kaninang Vibrant Choco. Ito naman yung itsura niya. And same with the milk tea, meron din tong stevia sweetener. So, this one is sugar-free. Para sa mga diabetic dyan, tapos nagwa-watch kayo ng inyong sugar count, this one is okay for you if you wanna taste, if you wanna drink yung mga chocolatey drink, and at the same time, hindi magsasuffer yung inyong sugar level. So, this one is good for you. This is Vibrant Choco. Again, meron siyang 10 sachets, but each sachet contains 18 grams naman of product. So, sobrang bongga na din to. Ito, excited akong matry to because ako, I'm not really a coffee person. So, I'm looking forward to try this kasi mahilig ako sa mga chocolatey drinks. This one, kapag nag-work to sa akin, I'll probably bring this anywhere because I'm really obsessed with chocolate drinks. And ito, parang feeling ko iinumin ko to with ice. Parang ice choco yung magiging eksena niya. Para mas masarap siyang inumin and mas refreshing. Ayan. I-update ko din kayo sa aking IG stories kung masarap ba to. But ayun, again, I'm very excited to try this as well. Wait, meron pa palang isang vitamin C product. Ito naman yung kanilang Vibrant Vitamin C capsule. Meron siyang sodium ascorbate and with rosehip and camu-camu. Ayan. This one naman, guys, it has 30 capsules inside and 500 mg na siya. So, sobrang perfect niya. And, ayun, kagaya ko, mahilig talaga ako mag-vitamin C. Sometimes, nagdo-double dose ako para 1000 mg yung tinitake ko. Kasi, wala namang masama. Hindi ka naman mau-overdose sa vitamin C if I'm not mistaken. And, especially now, with our situation, meron ng pandemic. So, it's really important to take vitamin C. Kaya naman, I'm so excited to try this and this one as well. So, ipagko-combo natin sila. Kasi nga, ako, as far as I know, wala naman ako overdose sa vitamin C. So, sobrang excited ako matry itong mga to. Next naman from the box is this Vibrant Herbal Juice. This is 7-in-1 juice. Meron siyang guyabano, gotu cola, moringa, kamote top, saluyot. Tapos again, meron din siyang stevia and it contains all natural herbal ingredients. So, ito naman, siguro ibibigay ko na lang to sa dad ko or sa mom ko kasi sila yung mahilig sa mga herbal drink. Ako kasi hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa ganito, but I think titikman ko kahit isa lang. Tingnan ko kung magugustuhan ko siya, but I'll definitely give this to my mom or my dad kasi sila talaga yung mas mahilig sa mga herbal drinks. But this one, ayun nga, ang dami nga ding pasabog. Meron din siyang saluyot pala. Nakita ko dito sa gilid. Super healthy talaga ng mga products ni Vibrant Wellness. And if you wanna try this, kung kagaya ko kayo na hindi healthy and lifestyle and gustong magpaka-healthy, i-message nyo lang ako dyan sa Facebook page ko or sa Instagram ko. Nasa description box yan below if you're in the Philippines. Pero kung nasa UAE naman kayo or nasa Dubai kayo, you can message my sister. Distributor din siya doon. Ilalagay ko din yun sa description box yung kanyang details and yung kanyang YouTube channel as well. So, i-check out nyo na lang yan mga sisi, just in case you're interested to try any of these products na pinakita ko sa inyo. And last but definitely not the least, ito naman, super excited ako matry ito because this is their Vibrant Cereal Mix. Ito, hindi ako masyadong ma-cereal, but this coming 2022, as I said, gusto ko ngang magpaka-healthy and gusto kong maging fit yung katawan ko. Kasi as you can see, nag-gain talaga ako ng weight. And gusto kong simulan yung diet ko. And I think this is perfect kasi cereal to, hindi na siya rice. So, magandang alternative to sa ating carbs. This is instant cereal mix. So, sobrang dali lang nitong tikman. Like, lalagyan nyo lang to ata ng hot water and you're good to go. Ang flavor nito is pandan. Again, it has 7 sachets inside and each product or each sachet contains 31 grams. So, I think that's, perfect na pang alternative sa one meal. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo talagang alisin yung rice or gusto nyo mag-diet, mag-lessen ng carbs, I think this is nice to try. So, ayan. Sabay-sabay tayong mag-diet mga CZ. Try nyo din tong Vibrant na cereal mix. And I think meron pa tong isang flavor, but yung binigay nila sa akin is yung pandan. So, ayan. Update ko kayo sa IG stories about this kung bongga ba talaga siya. Anyway, that's about it for this first box. And buksan naman natin yung color pink. I'm not sure if parehas lang yung laman. So, tingnan na lang natin kung parehas ba. Ito naman yung pink box, mga CZ. And ito, tinanggal ko na yung ribbon para mas mabilis ko maipakita sa inyo. And inside, just by looking at it, alam ko na parehas lang yung laman niya. Meron tayo dito ng orange tea, vibrant milk tea, we have the herbal juice, vibrant choco, cereal mix, and yung kanilang vitamin C. So, madami akong vitamin C, mga CZ. Hindi ako mauubusan ng vitamin C. I'm super duper excited to try this. Ito, hindi ko to ipapamigay sa akin to. Pero yung herbal drink and yun lang, herbal drink baka ibigay ko yun kay mommy or kay daddy or yun sa lola ko. Pero kasi meron din sila, so baka itry ko din talaga to. Anyway, yung milk tea, super sarap niya, especially kapag ang daming yelo, talagang feel na feel mo talaga siya. And legit milk tea talaga yung lasa niya. Hindi siya yung parang joke time na milk tea lang. It tastes like legit milk tea. And again, it's guilt-free because they use stevia pampatamis. Hindi sila gumamit ng regular sugar. Anyway, ayun, that's about it for this video. In-unbox ko lang talaga to, guys, to share with you yung mga products ni Vibrant Wellness. Again, if you're here in the Philippines and you wanna try their products or you want to be a distributor as well, you can message me sa aking Facebook and Instagram. All of the details will be listed on the description box below. And kung nasa UAE naman kayo, Dubai to be specific, you can message my sister. All of her details will be listed sa description box below as well. Message nyo siya, sobrang bait niya. Kung paano ako as a person, siya yung girl version ko. So, huwag kayong mahiya sa kanya, ha? Parehas lang kaming kalog nun. Anyway, ayun. I'm really grateful to be receiving all these gifts from Vibrant Wellness. And again, like I said, we are very happy and privileged to be part of their year-end party this year. And I can't wait to experience more events with them in the future. But ayun, again, before I end this video, I'd like to thank Vibrant Wellness and of course the CEO herself, Miss Elsie. Thank you so much po for inviting us, for having us to your prestigious event. Yes, prestigious event. And we really had a great time. We had so much fun and looking forward to brighter 2022. Ayun. That's about it for this video, guys. Kung meron kayong mga thoughts, kung meron kayong mga products na na-try na dito, you can share it with me sa comment section below. And kung meron naman kayong mga suggestions for me to try out, you can comment it sa comment section below as well. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, you can hit the thumbs up button, share this video to your friends, and mag-subscribe ka na if you haven't already. Again, this is Josh Gonzalez telling you to always look on the bright side of life. Bye guys, love you and happy holidays. Mwah!